Hi everyone, this is Aquila. I'm just doing a quick demonstration of a Java assignment that I did for my graduate diploma of computing. What this is here is a spider crawler, and what that means is it basically takes a URL that you give it, and then it will keep looking through this URL for other URLs, and it'll keep doing this up until a depth that you specify. Once you've got that done, it'll have this all populated in a list, and then you can look through that list with a search term, which means that this effectively functions as a sort of rudimentary search engine. So let's just go ahead and start that up, and let's see how it works. So we've got the UI here, and we can see that we've got our URL that we're going to be looking through. We've got the depth that we're going to be allowing it to pass through. I usually just leave it at 2 just so that we don't get too many results and it doesn't take too long to sort of populate the whole thing. And then once we've got that queried, then we can start looking for a search term. So let's find our URL first. And you can see that it's gone ahead and populated that list over here with a whole bunch of URLs that you would find starting from unitech.co.nz, and then it'll just keep doing that up until a depth of 2, so it'll do 2 jumps and then it'll stop crawling. So now that we've got our list, we can go ahead and put in a search term. What I like to do is I like to put in the particular search term of inspiring, which is what we used for our testing, because this had a tendency to show up on some of the pages but not all of them. So it was good for making sure that the search application actually works. So let's plug that in there, and let's search that up. So we can see in our console it's coming up with which ones of those pages will have a hit, and so far it's only gone 2, and this time, okay, so at the end of the whole thing we've got 3, and we can see that that's gotten populated into our list there that was taken from the list that we gave it before. So that's more or less it in terms of the application itself. In terms of how it was made, there were a whole bunch of different Java plugins and that kind of thing that we put into it. Things like Lucene, Spring, Jerry, and JSoup, which were all used for different tasks such as passing the URLs, passing the data, passing the search term, etc., etc. So I won't bore you with explaining what all of those do, but if you're interested in Java, then I'm sure that they would be interesting things to look at. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later.